he comes. And when I look at your faces this morning, each and every one of you know what I'm talking about. That crisis comes. How do we respond? Well, Jehoshaphat sets for us up a model of response. Because what he does is he falls to the Lord and he prays. He seeks the Lord. In fact, he said, God, I have no idea what to do. I'm clueless. I don't know how to move forward. And he sets up a model prayer. That as we begin looking at prayer, it's a great place to start. Perhaps other than the prayer that Jesus himself gave us, what we call the Lord's Prayer, this may be one of the most effective prayers, certainly in all the Old Testament. Because he calls out to the Lord in a way that is a model for you and I. In whatever situation, whatever difficulty, whatever crisis you may find yourself in, here Jehoshaphat sets out for us a model prayer for us to fall on our knees when we don't know what to do. To fall upon our knees and cry out to the one who loves us most. It starts in the 6th verse. Here's what it says. It says, Are you, oh God, are you not the God who is in heaven? You rule over all the kingdoms of the nations. Power and might are in your hands, and no one can withstand you. That first phrase, are you not the King of kings and the Lord of lords? Are you not the first and the last? Are you not the King of glory? Are you not the Rose of Sharon? Are you not the God who can solve every situation, who's with me day and night? Are you not that God? He reminds himself of who he serves. He reminds himself of who he belongs to. He reminds himself that he serves the one and only true God. The God who's always been. The God who always shall be. The God who's always been there for. Are you not? The same thing is saying, yes, you are. I recognize who you are.